mamema ye nyina ye ho achi biem na anopai the finance minister beko akwa address o my Ghana yakwa homesika ye di ni e de adwen Ghana ho for the next 2024 to the end. Last week me address president of the republic eka kire no twen adwi gina so. The promise of the man Dr. Bawumia Ebra appointed no as a leader for the new patriotic party and the flag bearer. Okacha and say wabo adwuma ma no na the major focus and say odi tumi be say Dr. Bawumia ensa. Now we lead as a flag bearer for the party to win power and break the eight. Me reminding na Aduanaba Kofi Asante say sa purpose no na butim po bebe mu a AshantiRegion a pivotal sector and as a area region a we free mu a enye and inti na Aduanaba Kofi Asante me twen adwen agina so say opro didi a onwam didi. Last week na me dey to mani mu say Greater Accra MPs caucus both NDC MPs edi atu dwa say ena budget la General Hospital a omubugu ye no 2020 a omubu ye no omo ansi a budget no omo hwe so mbetena se me yakan enra report emenya ne say $50 million abaya ko secure a ye di besi la General Hospital. 50 million. The government is forced say la General Hospital wa kopeska e di asem after ebugu ye because MPs ni nyina ka oma no bom aka kire president say wanya budget no memfa mba yabi mami all Greater Accra MP seat a ewo ho enu 26 AshantiRegion ye 37 both NDC MPPs ye twifa ye so sa ye tikroma na courtesy defense staff says courtesy defense war eyi offend saying okuja to black one MPs be 4 pe free from antem won say ye ba be kan budget na finance minister amfa nshem because war na bunti no ansuo fa kofo won ma memfa nshemu a won mo mpene enko ema budget maso eno na nopo ekoka say sa aban etie no de hyemu a ene wono so be lead MPs e wa AshantiRegion akoye demonstration. These two MPs akosoi e create a standstill e ba mrasebedwam to say government provide a consideration for courtesy defense. Na Aduanaba Kofi Asante AshantiRegion vote 1.8 million e 9 regions e wa Ghana ha in every election. Your fortunes to win Ghana's election 2024 ejina AshantiRegion and pay me kai will say project bebregu AshantiRegion a was start here we nyanwie akan sinsemu and my men tafre wo hina no ho kakra na achia me ano ho na me repeating someone wo kai na anu da na anu fiada I wo ayi konfa no che na ye peska kakra de aboa wase munya hwehwe animu no na moma mani nka kuro yi mu tie wo hene
who nya $1 million no who benya 100 cedis farmer so ayo yakani nyina bomwa ibenya gaza ibenya ses kanaye so eti wo 150 ni maji na de wo kase zo bese so maji aka so na fe nyina ya be ya amna yi enti regional minister pacho kakra mbeka ya no monta ka baji diskani bi amame munya baji bi en fo nyina baji bi amame so confess mo edan wo ho nyina mo baji diskani bi dia brem so na me ka che mo mo nimre na mo hwa haye so asan kra ya mo dadodo so en kra ya mo dadodo so no munya everyone na mo hwe we no the bema mo motimi anya ni munya mo
nanu ya wada na me won kran me kofa Spinters Road me say Spinters over a flyover omo ya wie contractors go piti day night ya so kanea ene yesi ohene say munya hwehwe ni mu na nkan ya mo de dodo opro didi a onwam didi eno ane sa na amen a yen votes 1.8 million e twa 9 regions yesra ansa na yedi anado dan kwa Akofo Addo pay. I am reminding you in your humility say what time what take koso na say to yentu no so akonwa na enso na asanteman udonti wadi a kire project bebre ayaya short curtain ni nyina da so gufie ena ye ni abra ye ayi konfano chimpanimfo bu faso yi say even ye wie konfano chima ne ba be yes heaven over 21 hospitals egu wirem a pressure hodo a eda so enti ye the reception krano aye ward anke ye wie aferi ana anke ye wie ayi ofani sesewua ene ye wie fomina ene ye kononwo eye adwuma ene kumawu ye adwuma agenda 111 eye adwuma 5 different district hospitals ebiwo twede ebiwo dansia krofrom ebiwo setra from plains and these areas are all active eye adwuma and career referral center ye teaching hospital konfanoche nka pressure bi amaso atene ukwa nipagu from all because obitia ne yakra what the aba konfanoche otekwa that this was somewhere 2018 ewo konfanoche teaching KNUST, one of the biggest teaching hospital omampani dada John Ajokum Kufuor 2008 or started here. Otekwa in one of their graduation was say president bomode na ba ye wie mame you are the president and I am the chancellor for this university. Even
though I get briefings about all the happenings in the university, I also pay periodic working visits to the campus to see things for myself. I must say, I've been very much impressed with the strategic developments on this campus. This notwithstanding, the KNUST Teaching Hospital project, which on completion will accelerate the education and training of medical and allied health professionals for health self-delivery in the country, has been on the drawing board from 2008, 12 years, which seemed to be abandoned due to lack of funds. I have written to you, Your Excellency, through the Minister of Finance, and I do hope that it is a priority on Your Excellency's healthcare agenda. And especially so, when I'm the Chancellor and you are the President, I want this hospital to be close to me.
Observer, why was 2018? The Chancellor of the University, President Nana Tewono and Washano. Come on. I think I can report. Say project in Guso as a air coso. Project in India, the teaching hospital. Any needed about 18 million euros just to continue project in teaching hospital in and think doctors are work KUS in Yano and they will be and one say teaching hospital any one penny that I could find in his wisdom. Say my teaching hospital. I did a display for the one will be and then that enclave nyina ebeko. This is the edifice. Abay guso your bumpire so baby. Ano penny here can say or take a course was a fantasy project. I could do a regime. Project I need Scamayan started. Ya started Tafo Hospital. And now I'm in worker saying, Mampenida Akofo, Tafo maternity block, and then Louvers roofing sheet be a good in other Sugo, a pro, Ubian Fan and Sankai.
I call on the government and other relevant stakeholders then to help provide the investment that will help in developing the needed human resource to help advance the course of health research in the country. Countries that had advanced their healthcare systems invested heavily in clinical research. Indeed, Clinical health research enables scientists and researchers to come out with groundbreaking discoveries and early detective systems that enable public health workers to address diseases and epidemics on time. It is absolutely critical that we continuously work towards whatever health challenges the future may hold for us as a country. And then again, the President's representative, if we took a very serious view of health, even though in this precarious situation of economic situation, I still believe that we can cut corners somewhere and invest in the health delivery system. Because some of our projects are mere fantasy projects instead of looking at what is more relevant for.
Or he say you can fantasy project hwehwani mu akwala agya isu project yetimu senken hyada hia basade ye beya ye bebo ye nsamama ye nti obi baje kefa wunyina to fam ne adimirika ne yaba ye simo ye nya ne de nsa akeka no. These are the fantasy projects or he kan ho ase
87.9 Kumasi.
Tafo hospital ni nipa na gu fam sebe monimu anopai nipa na gu fam na nso mo hwe tas nyina na gu ho ewo since 2008 tas louvers roofing everything egudem ho apro afei ukọ hospital no a esi wo sisi ya how congested nipa and that stretch so a hwibaro mu na nipa da ye treat no when we have a nipa hospital esi ho engina wie. This is Tafo government hospital. Abra ye wo man mema nyina da together e man da hey be man da hey therefore video ni ja be mani enyo oba ni. This is a country we are in. Obada ha be ma da ha the same word nurse kura nya kwan na watwa ne ho hwe bed da so hwe nso konsuo wo mattress mu hwe dia papai ase kwabana ni nantini. And we sit in this country and still bragging, making noise. And paying another than Akofo Adway. This is the last budget for this country.
87.
And you are off and say bye-bye. In all humility, AshantiRegion and Opay make I will say project be bre aye frase wo kuraimu nana bobodi na wi ansa na wako. Why am I serious this morning? I am serious because your project ahodo abiding in sakeka wo mantami mu a say ya nye project biem and ayeye no nko awi a it is enough for AshantiRegion. Akan wo fia ha say aban bia mai in the history of this republic, apart from Mpani that Akofo, I was starting emergency hospital. I was starting any monumental project. I was AshantiRegion and we da. A BC da. I was the senator of office. No government in the Fourth Republic ever started any monumental project. I was starting yano with me project no and send we fra banso. Baby I didn't say hospital before where a ferry. This is a ferry military. War even a helipad a helicopter et me free na baby so just watch it. This hospital is just rotten. DNS you started bebre and a gum all because fantasy project as Otkokos worker. I'm pay near make kind and another danko for the ne o finance minister come na sebedwam akwako kan. Bet in machines be the gumuyo Ghana for you here $18 million just to complete and we are done. 18 million. The last time the deputy the defense minister buy was so man negotiate amana by $11 million. We need only that money. Now you for over 4 years you decide my way you know good them pro. Prof when you have clinical materials like this over 4 years not being used, the effect of this thing near don near ko near ba near jawe ho near kwakotwa sword for agenda 111 near also at the various stages of completion. Everything is there. Sani ya saglemi housing project a move by bibia yes say no ano the president in 2011 2021 ekoi trade ekoi shortcutting for agenda 111 nana achina kwajan trade hene asebu no kachire president
Ghana for ejiwachinye se wontumi nya se kuma wudia wontumi nche won samfiri ho omena de yei afei social media and echinye bebre se foto awon abokra se o de beye no enya ade a ebeso hospital oha ene echire a obesisie wo Ghana mansini ne mantam bebre a eni aban ayare sabia anso sania obesra otumfo ka kire wo no say sania Ghana ni bia bebo bra na waboyi baba ba yo mampanyini yaka ni se obesum Ghana ye na wagidini yo mampanyini Ghana fo ene o eje achinyi se untumenye tumfo ewa reshemu se ubetumi aye na futu a de ma wo Ghana fo pe adwuma so rai o ma wi esu a o munya adwuma enye ye hwe ya yaresa eho ene hwe oman mpuntudwuma a wo ye yakwan ahodo a wo ye eno ne hwe eho de to aba se wan krokra we nyina Ghana fo ya de ekom ene ebufuo ene de to aba dan so tumfo se obeye na de broni a friend say legacy peja odini ato ho na Ghana fo ye wire mfiri woda sa bota kase ya wo de esi wani so yi so tumi ya e be da ho afebo na ahye odini enmonyam do tumfo se odimpa bo beta wo chi
Anopai minister the project no ekoso kama ya boso awie at the various stage ye ka kire na nado dan kwa Akofo Addo say about 11 or 15 agenda 111 e wa AshantiRegion na na hwe no wawie ansa na wako 17 menya honko ye nimsa bia bebre wo ho ade at the various stages of completion ye kai wo na no pay ken wa nya ho anko na eja ho kwa aban foforo ba ono nso beba abija ho anopai central market edwa ye kai wo se na na bra bewie Konfanoche maternity blog ayi achampon dia ye bugu ye yes o kofi skada ho skani da ho ye white near the aba be sisi ye see maternity blog about 500 bed capacity do stage of completion and also ye konkon ho nana ye kan say bobode na bra bewie the various 5 interchanges see ateso amana baba akopeso amede afa ne yetutu kwan no ewo new road post office stretch makro ekwan so nana asanteman kaiwo se bra bewie airport eka just 2% nana do danko Akofo Addo asanteman kaiwo no pay se bra bewie buankra nanke enim se ye betwa ye short curtain ewo kasi mechi he ya railway ndi sisi atonsuom ezi aye the container ena besoa atwene ye de aba begu ha at least aba foforo ba on start sa grounds no ye de ye pe ye kan se na wie ansa na wako anopani ye kai otekoko so enyina sam ye de na no tomata free wo hena no se Jumadi aye nyina fantasy project and let's complete the viable ones. Mr. President, the Ghana for can say today's budget is going to be a decision factor because 2024 election time nya fe na ababe be befufuro bia wo my Ghana mu. Ene the Asanteman e kai won say you vote each 9 regions in this country out of the 16 regions no AshantiRegion vote each 9 regions opro didi onwam so didi ye beji sika fo nyine hini sino hydro ye de kokowie tamale interchange AshantiRegion de ye nsanya nkan ye kan say binum timi keka wo mo wala hospital now within a fortnight yetiminya $50 million to complete La General Hospital ɛwɔ abra maternity block konfanoche da so si ho na ye start ye catch say within 2.5 years ye sie wie se sia ye sia ma ye sika ne da ho contractor UK ba be wie ni se sia de na do dan kwa Akofo Addo. I will be a better person this morning to remind you, say, your commitment to breaking the 8 for MPP, no, intimate muscle until some of these things are done for the regency. Otiko Koso will forever and always be right and not paying. What I will say, Ghana for the company before that to Abeti John Mahama. So when you boss us why the company before Betwaba Ediatia. Good morning, Mr. President.
Ghana for to Abama and Aduanaba Kofi Asante. Yantua money per account will be 2 million edema no wachiche bia mo biara eti kan hunu se wo mu a wachiche ama wo bia ni ho a ye de 2 million no ka ho eti me nana no wonim se me no free nipa atu dodo no aye nimbra me ni wo adam no ne free fan no 77 ansa na wo sa ba me bo ana me bo a nana e champon bo tata wa wo ba London nyame no nana nam ne kodwe nyantachi nom ansa na wo sa ba ya mo ba be gina biowa ansa sa ba ya ne woti he abroche ba ya me lawyer no me no na ko ni nyina ani akwa abapim ne enu aso nkrofo be ka kire so won po asem enso wa anyi antum wo ka se da bi se dem sine na tie de ntesa me de kakra ne se me de futupa nam de be ma wo de Ghana fo pani adwuma de pani ayahwe de pani nkoso enu ana ye hwehwe de to aba ne wie ya ye bobo se wa wen obi gina TV3 so wo ka kire nipa na wo se wo na TV kompanyimfo no John Mahama okoka chense abane de komne abufuo na toye na asa akọ na nado so aka chense e komne abufuo so no so ba no anye de komne abufuo be sa ato wo ho nim de wadre wo mpesika ye hwebio enti sese kun ho na ye adwuma no yi edin ku ana sese wo pe de be odin be komu sa ampase wo mampanyi bi ba ne e fre na nado da wo ba be ye Ghana yi